This video is for that girl that is a beginner when it comes to makeup and does not have enough money to splurge on makeup products. I understand it because I have been there too. When I started with makeup, I honestly could not afford to buy makeup products. So I had to find ways to be creative using what I had, trying different hacks and different tricks that I was seeing online, and all of these things are what I'm going to be showing you in today's video. Quick disclaimer, I am not in any way a makeup artist. I am just a girl that likes to apply makeup and play with makeup the little way that she can. So let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to tell you is that at this point, you don't need to bother to start learning how to draw your eyebrows. What you need to do is to ensure that your eyebrows are perfectly shaped. It gets easy from there. I lost my audio at this point, but what I was doing here was using my got to be edge control to arrange my brows. It helps to keep your eyebrow hairs in place. You can use any edge control of your choice really. I just used this one for 2,500 naira, but you can get for as low as 1,000 naira. Next thing I did was use my LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight my brows. The first hack here is to ensure that your eyebrows are perfectly shaped already, either by a razor blade or any method you use to shape your brows on a regular day. So when you're using your concealer to highlight it, you just follow the shape easily. I went ahead to do the same thing on the other eye, and this is how it looks. The next thing I did was apply the same concealer on my eyelid, and I blended it out to cover the dark area. Then I went ahead with the same concealer to highlight my under eye. I only applied the concealer in the inner corner and outer corners of my eye, very little of it because we're not doing too much here because it's a very simple everyday look. Then I go in with my beauty sponge and blend properly so it sits well on your skin. Now, this is where things get interesting. I overheard a makeup artist some time ago say that you can also use white powder to set your face. So I tried it and it worked. So I'll be using this Pond's white powder to set the highlighted area of my face. It's not a completely white powder though. It has a little bit of orange to it, and that is what we're going to be using today. Just take a little bit of it. You know it's not the original thing, so you don't want to use too much, and then you press into your face. I'm using this eyeshadow palette I got from the store for just 2,500 naira. It has multiple colors, so it serves as both my eyeshadow palette and my blush palette till today. So you can always get one product and use it for other things. You can always improvise. I take a red color shade and I apply on my cheek. The thing is, this eyeshadow palette is not very pigmented, so that's why it's cheap. So you have to go in more than once, and please blend it properly so it can sit well on your skin. See, blush is that girl. I love applying blush so much. It really helps define my face and it makes you look so pretty and girly. Next is this eyeliner. I got it for 500 naira and it is also not branded. There is no name. As a beginner, you don't have to bother your head about having the perfect wing liner. Till date, I've still not perfected the art of drawing a wing liner. So I just draw a tiny line on my eyes in a simple way. The line shouldn't be thick. Next, I go in with my face powder, Kiss Beauty face powder. I cannot remember how much I got it because I've had this powder for so long now. I just apply it all over my face and down to my neck as well. The next thing is to go in with your mascara. I use this mascara, Mega Impact Mascara. I've been using this mascara for years and it works so well for me. Because at this stage, you don't want to start bothering your head about fixing lashes as a beginner, so just go in with your mascara. So another hack that you need to do with your mascara to give your eyes that very full look is apply a second base. After applying this first base, allow it to get a little bit dry, then you go in with a second base. It makes your eyelashes pop and look very full. Whenever I do my mascara like this, people always ask me if I fix my lashes, but girl, it's just mascara. While we're waiting for the mascara to dry up a bit, let's do our lookie. So I'm going in with this Davis eye pencil to just align the lips. I'm going in with this red lip gloss from Secure Cosmetics. So this is the final look. Let me go get dressed and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you